When a couple experiences the trauma of betrayal and the weight of sex addiction, they often find themselves on opposite sides of a deep emotional divide. What once felt close, safe, and intimate may now feel distant, uncertain, and even hostile. Both partners are hurting, but they're hurting differently. The wounded partner is reeling, trying to make sense of shattered trust, intrusive thoughts, and overwhelming grief. The partner in recovery may feel ashamed, confused, and afraid, unsure how to face the damage they've caused or how to rebuild anything at all. And while these experiences are distinct, the path toward healing requires something that might seem impossible in the moment: moving forward together. But at the same time, a couple can't heal as a unit if both people aren't actively pursuing their own individual recovery and healing journey. Therefore, recovering and healing together begins with you. In this season, each of you will need space to process your pain, own your growth, and rebuild personal integrity and resilience. But if your relationship is going to be restored, not just repaired on the surface, but truly renewed, you'll also need to work together intentionally and consistently to rebuild intimacy, trust, and respect. The road forward is not quick and it isn't easy, but it is possible when both of you choose to show up for the journey. To support you, we've developed a series of daily and weekly couples recovery tools, simple, structured practices that are designed to help you reconnect emotionally, communicate honestly, and reestablish shared meaning in your relationship. These tools may feel awkward at first. That's okay. They are muscles you're learning to use, again, or maybe for the first time. Over time, they will become sacred rituals, moments of truth-telling, tenderness, and hope.